The rapid evolution of artificial intelligence is reshaping various domains, and its influence on military strategy is particularly profound. AI-powered drones, especially in swarms, stand out as a significant advancement in modern warfare. This technology is not only revolutionizing how conflicts are approached, but also poses an existential threat to traditional military machinery. AI excels in this domain due to its capacity for rapid decision-making, real-time data processing, and scalable automation. These attributes enhance the effectiveness of drones, allowing them to act with unprecedented coordination and precision. As we explore the implications of AI-powered drone swarms, it becomes evident that this technology will have far-reaching impacts on global security, military strategies, and future warfare dynamics. AI's integration into drone technology represents a pivotal shift in military capabilities. Traditionally, drones were used as remote-controlled tools with limited operational scope. However, the advent of AI has transformed these devices into autonomous systems capable of performing complex tasks with minimal human intervention. AI enhances drones' operational efficiency through advanced algorithms that enable autonomous navigation, target identification, and mission execution. This capability allows drones to function in swarms, where they can execute coordinated strategies and adapt to changing environments in real time. The effectiveness of AI in drone swarms is derived from its ability to analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. Machine learning algorithms process information from sensors and cameras to make informed decisions about targets and tactics. This rapid decision-making ability is crucial in high-stakes environments where traditional methods may falter. Additionally, AI-driven drones benefit from continuous learning and adaptation, improving their performance over time. The combination of these factors makes AI-powered drone swarms a formidable force, capable of challenging even the most advanced military systems. One of the most striking implications of AI-driven drone swarms is their potential to undermine traditional military assets. Large, expensive platforms such as aircraft carriers and stealth bombers have long been symbols of military power. However, the proliferation of low-cost drones equipped with AI presents a new threat to these once-dominant systems. The cost-effectiveness of drones, combined with their ability to overwhelm sophisticated defenses through sheer numbers, introduces a paradigm shift in military strategy. Retired Admiral James Stavridis and Marine veteran Elliot Ackerman highlight this shift in their Wall Street Journal essay. They argue that the future of warfare will increasingly rely on swarms of inexpensive AI-powered drones rather than on costly, high-tech weaponry. The potential for a swarm of drones to incapacitate or destroy multi-million-dollar assets underscores the need for new defensive strategies and technologies. The use of drone swarms could render traditional military investments obsolete. For instance, aircraft carriers, which represent significant financial and strategic investments, could become vulnerable to a well-coordinated swarm of drones. These drones, each costing a fraction of the price of an aircraft carrier, could potentially inflict substantial damage through coordinated attacks. This shift challenges established military doctrines and necessitates a re-evaluation of defense strategies and resource allocation. The changing nature of warfare. The rise of AI-powered drone swarms is indicative of a broader transformation in the nature of warfare. Future conflicts are likely to involve a mix of connected, low-cost weapons, rather than relying solely on sophisticated systems. This trend reflects a democratization of military technology, where even smaller nations or non-state actors can wield significant power through the use of advanced technologies. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine illustrates the changing dynamics of warfare. Drones have played a crucial role in the conflict, altering the trajectory of battles and demonstrating their effectiveness in modern combat scenarios. Similarly, Houthi militants' use of drones against ships highlights the potential of these devices to impact naval operations. The proliferation of drone technology has made it possible for various actors to challenge traditional military powers, leading to a more complex and unpredictable global security landscape. As warfare evolves, the integration of AI into military systems will be a critical factor in determining the outcomes of conflicts. The ability to deploy and manage drone swarms effectively will become a key component of military strategy. Nations that can harness AI to enhance their drone capabilities will likely gain a strategic advantage, while those that fail to adapt may find their traditional military assets increasingly vulnerable. Implications for humanity and future warfare. The impact of AI-powered drone swarms extends beyond military strategy to broader implications for humanity and future warfare. The proliferation of this technology has the potential to reshape international relations, security policies, and ethical considerations in conflict scenarios. From a humanitarian perspective, the use of autonomous drones raises concerns about accountability and the ethics of AI-driven warfare. The potential for AI systems to make life-or-death decisions without direct human oversight introduces complex ethical dilemmas. Ensuring that autonomous systems adhere to international laws and humanitarian principles is crucial in preventing misuse and minimizing unintended consequences. The shift towards AI-driven warfare also raises questions about the future of global security and stability. As drone technology becomes more accessible, there is a risk of escalation and proliferation among various actors. The potential for non-state groups and rogue nations to acquire and deploy advanced drone swarms poses a significant challenge to global security. Addressing these risks will require international cooperation and the development of robust regulatory frameworks to govern the use of AI in military applications. The role of AI in shaping future defense strategies. In response to the growing threat of AI-powered drone swarms, defense agencies are investing in technologies to counteract this new challenge. The Pentagon's Replicator initiative, which aims to develop thousands of autonomous systems, exemplifies the efforts to stay ahead in the arms race. By building and deploying AI-coordinated drone systems, the military seeks to enhance its defensive capabilities and maintain a strategic edge. The focus on AI-based decision-making highlights the importance of rapid adaptation and innovation in modern warfare. The future of military conflicts will likely involve a continuous cycle of technological advancements and countermeasures. Nations that excel in developing and integrating AI-driven systems will be better positioned to navigate this evolving landscape. Moreover, the use of AI in defense strategies will impact the broader scientific and technological landscape. Advances in AI and robotics driven by military needs will likely have spillover effects on other sectors, such as autonomous vehicles, healthcare, and industrial automation. The development of AI-powered drone systems serves as a catalyst for innovation, driving progress in related fields and contributing to overall technological advancement. Conclusion. AI-powered drone swarms represent a transformative development in modern warfare, with the potential to challenge traditional military assets and reshape global security dynamics. The integration of AI into drone technology enhances operational efficiency, coordination, and adaptability, making these systems formidable adversaries in conflict scenarios. The implications of this technology extend beyond military strategy, impacting humanitarian considerations, international relations, and future defense strategies. As the nature of warfare evolves, the role of AI in shaping military capabilities and strategies will become increasingly significant. Nations must navigate the complexities of this new era by investing in advanced technologies, developing robust defensive measures, and addressing ethical and regulatory challenges. The future of warfare will be defined by the ability to harness AI's potential while mitigating its risks, ensuring that technological advancements contribute to a more secure and stable global environment. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more to come.